How to hide or unhide job from your profile on Rednote. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video we will be guiding you to on how you can hide or unhide your job from your profile on Rednote app. So if you're wondering how you can do that, these are the processes you may follow and you should be able to hide or unhide your job from your profile as well. So therefore, let's just get started with the process. First of all, go ahead and launch your Rednote application, and if you've already launched it, you can go ahead and tap on the Me tab at the bottom right corner of your screen. So when you reach over here, you can go to this profile section of your profile page and tap on it, and you will be taken to another page right here. So here you can find this job section right below birth date. Go ahead and tap on it, and here you will be seeing a job that you've added. So if you want to publicly display your job, you can find this toggle option right here with show job. So you can turn on this option. But if you want to hide it, you're going to turn it off and it will no longer appear on your screen. So that is it. So these are the processes you may follow up in order to show up your job as at your profile as well, or hide them from your profile as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.